We're skipping the intro today. It's far too important. I'm going to show you guys how to turn $25 into 10 grand a month on a residual level or more. This is hands down one of the easiest ways that I have seen people get success in the industry, bar none. If you can commit for 90 days, I'm going to assure you that this is going to be your best Christmas season yet. I've been in the industry for over 13 years now, and I've seen a whole bunch of different projects. But you know what the number one most common issue is with those things and why people fail is because either A, the product is out of their price range, but more importantly, B, they don't have a system in place for them in order to have success, and they're trying to duplicate whatever that person showed them to their prospects. So guess what? With this opportunity, you don't have to be like Mr. Crypto Vet. You don't have to talk to anybody. You don't have to go out there and bug all your neighbors, brothers, sister, cousins, auntie, uncle. You don't have to do that here. We have a foolproof system. If you have Facebook, you're absolutely going to crush it. All right. This is a true online business that can be done from anywhere. It could be done from a plane. It could be done from a beach. It could be done from the mountains. All you really need is a Wi-Fi signal and a laptop or a phone. That's it. That's it. It's a 4-step simple system. Invite, tag, welcome, message, right? That's it. That's all you got to do. You don't have to sit there and talk to people on the phone. I mean, the entry barrier is so low, only $25. Are you kidding me? We're not even talking the cost of dinner. That's just lunch. That's just lunch. Come on. Who don't have $25? All right. Some of the major benefits that we have here is that it's a killer product, something that you can benefit from and get results on day number one, something that everybody could use, especially more so folks here in the United States. This is a global opportunity, so it's not just here specifically for the United States. It can be done all online. You can scale it up at any time you want to. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee. What else do you need? What other information do you need? Matter of fact, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to roll right into this video. Number 6, it's a 5-minute video. It doesn't get any easier, simpler than that. So what I'm going to do is I am actually going to stop talking right now, and I'm going to roll right into the intro video. Do not share this with your prospects. If you do that, you're already breaking that 4-step system. I'm just bringing this to my audience to show you guys what the opportunity is. Get plugged in. The link to get started will be in the description below of this video. Feel free to also reach out to me on Telegram if you have more questions before we get started. But I mean, come on, you guys. I'm not going to sit here and talk to you on the phone or go back and forth with you. It's $25. It's $25. If you don't have $25, hey, if you don't have $25, you definitely need to do this. But you know, this opportunity might not be for you. I mean, you could be giving stuff away for free and people would find a way not to want to get started. But I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna roll right into this 5-minute video, and then we'll meet back up here once this video is complete.
Hey, this is Dan Putnam with Be Epic, and I want to take just a couple minutes and I want to explain probably the easiest system that's ever been created in the home-based business network marketing industry. If you think about it, times like right now when you have inflation at a record high, this year I just saw a video, 8.3% just this year. If people aren't figuring out what they can do to make extra money, there's going to be problems. Houses are getting more and more expensive, cars are more and more expensive, gas is getting more and more expensive. And so what we've done is we've created a system that we think every single person can be successful with. $25 gets you the product, qualifies you for all the commissions. That even includes shipping and handling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to talk just a little bit about the product, and then I'm going to explain just how easy this system can be. The product is Drink to Shrink. Now, I've been full-time in this industry for 30 years now. We've done billions and billions of dollars in sales. In fact, we've paid billions of dollars in commissions, and this is probably the most successful product that I've ever seen. We launched the product back in 2008, billions of dollars in sales all over the world. It's been successful everywhere. The reason why is detoxing is one of the most overlooked aspects of health. So many times people aren't sleeping well. They have a headache. They're low energy, rashes. They're getting sick all the time. They're gaining weight. And they never really think, maybe I'm toxic. Maybe I need to detox. It's one of the last things that people think about. So they're taking all these stimulants. They're taking all these things to put them to sleep. They're doing all these things except for detoxing. Again, we often will, wash our bodies and stuff like that. We think about that pretty much every day. But we don't think about the insides of our bodies, our liver, our kidneys, our blood, getting all this stuff out of the cells. Now, we've created a detox so gentle that you can use it every single day. Because think about it. Does it make sense to just detox every quarter or every 6 months or maybe even every year like so many people do? That'd be like taking a shower every quarter or taking a shower every 6 months. That makes no sense. You should be doing this every single day if you want to have the best chance of having optimal health. So we think this is the absolute perfect product to design this system around. Now let me talk just a little bit about the system so you understand how easy this is. Again, we're talking about a $25 business in a box. You have the phone app. You have everything that you need for success. That includes shipping and handling to your door and qualifies you for commissions. The goal is simple. Step number 1, you get started for $25. Step number 2, you share this video with as many people as it takes to find 2 others that want to get started in business with you. Step number 3, you help them do the same thing. I know that sounds simple, and it really is that simple, but let's talk about the type of money that can be made just with that simple system. Now, it doesn't matter how long it takes. Let's just pick a time period. Let's say that it takes you 1 week to find 2 people to get started for $25, and it takes them a week also. If you just fast forwarded to 3 months, you would be at an income of around 40 to 50,000 US dollars. That's just at $25. Many people are buying more products so that they can drink it every single day. This is a 2-week supply. Now again, some people will drink it for a week, take a week off, drink it for a week, take a week off. Other people want to drink it every day. So just by going with a $50 package, then you can have it every day. And then we have other packages so that you have product to sample and stuff like that. Everything is built for your success. But it doesn't have to take 3 months. What if you found 2 people in 2 days? And they found 2 people in 2 days. Can you imagine in 24 days, you'd be making 40 or 50,000 per month? And by the end of your first month, you'd be making over 100,000 US dollars. Think about it. There's never been a time like now when so many people are looking for extra income. If you're not looking, you're making a mistake. McDonald's is now launching their first ever employee-less stores. Amazon and all these other stores are laying off hundreds of thousands of people. Why? Because business is bad? No, because with all the technology, AI and everything like that, they're replacing all unskilled labor. You have Walmart shutting down at record paces. You have thousands and thousands and thousands of Starbucks and things like that shutting down. Businesses that people thought would never shut down now are shutting down by the thousands. If you're not paying attention, you're going to be left behind. We've tried to create the simplest business, the simplest system that you could possibly create with an impact product that everybody feels within the first day. So again, get started, step number 1. Share this video with as many people as it takes, step number 2, to find 2. Help them do the same. Complete that process, and the money comes in. Again, we pay every single day and every single week.
Okay, who else got fired up after watching that? Like I said, it's only a 5-minute video that someone's going to sit there and watch, and it's a $25 decision. It's something that everybody can use. I mean, you should see the Facebook groups that I'm in with these before and after pictures of people using the product. The product, hands down, is phenomenal. I know it is. But more importantly, you guys, we're talking about money here. If you guys really want to go from that $25 to that $10,000 a month, I can show you how to do that. It's simple. It's simple. It's simple. It really is. I had a $20,000 week in July. I had a $20,000 week. I'm a nobody, you guys. I'm just some random guy on YouTube. Matter of fact, I'm gonna throw up some pictures here. If I could find them, these are gonna be kind of embarrassing. But look, I'm just an average Joe. Working. I used to work a job just like most people who are watching this video, I'm sure. And at the end of the day, I decided to have a paradigm shift in my mind. And once I found a mentor and I started duplicating myself, right? Duplication is key here. Once I started duplicating myself onto those mentors and whatever they were telling me to do, I was doing. That's called duplication. And then I had success. And then I kept doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. And it's really that easy. If you can share this with two people, I mean, the sky is the limit here. It really is. It really is. So I'm not going to make this video too long. If you guys want to get into the private Facebook groups that I'm a part of and really get plugged into the system, remember, it's a 4-step system. I know he went in a little bit on the video talking about 2 steps. That's not the 2 steps that we're talking about here. Yes, although be it that is part of the system, we have a proven 4-step system that is guaranteed to work for you if you put the system to work for yourself. Yeah, you win some, you lose some, but guess what? All you need is 2. And if you want more than 2, we can show you how to do that. I mean, we have people literally who are bringing in hundreds of people by the month, by the truckload. Okay. So this is it. That's it. It's a $25 opportunity. If you want to rock with me, if you want to rock with my team, there's spillover, by the way. All right. So that means that people from my team are going to be put on your team, regardless if you decide to get started today, tomorrow, next week, next year. It doesn't matter. People are going to fall into your organization one way or another because we're going to build this thing into oblivion. So I hope that you and I are in a place where we could work together on this thing. The link to get started is going to be in the description below of this video. I'm also going to have a secondary video to follow this on setup and how to get started, what to click on, and in the training system. It's easy. Everything's done. There's nothing you have to do here. It's all done. It's just click, copy, and paste. That's it. It don't get any easier than that, you guys. So Mr. Crypto Vet checking out. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.